Welcome to my Life Skills channel. Many of you must be using ChatGPT. If you are not using, must have heard the name of ChatGPT. What is it? It is an AI service provided by a private company, OpenAI. Likewise, X is another AI service provider by the social media X to its users. And all these are by private companies, not public. But hey, surprisingly, there is one country globally which presented its AI government representative, and that country is Ukraine. So it shows that there is the importance of public AI in our day-to-day life, and that's why my today's topic is public AI and three facets. Hello, I'm Nandini Das, academician, author and citizen journalist. So now what I'll do, I'll briefly discuss with you what is public AI. Then I'll tell you the three facets mentioned by a group of people, and that group is known as Economic Security Project. So let's start with what is public AI. Public AI means the AI model should be made by the governments, in each country their own governments, and it should be of the purpose of public service, not for profit motive. This is the basic of public AI. Now coming to the three facets, and who mentioned these three facets for us, this is a group of people and their name is Economic Security Project, and it is comprised of some researchers, some entrepreneurs, philanthropists and activists. So together they gave us three facets. So let's discuss with those three facets. Number one facet of public AI is it should be public for everyone. You know that public is everyone, but let me simplify it with two examples. Number one example is this public AI provided by the government should be for startups to use for their innovation, right? So this is the purpose, one example. Number two example of public AI for everyone each, it should be multilingual, not serve only one language, but it should have access to many languages, multiple languages. So this is one facet of public AI. Number two facet of public AI is this should be used for security purpose of the government. That means now for the security purpose of the government to use AI, now they are hiring private AI services. So the idea here is to governments made for their own security purpose. And number third facet is public AI should have cloud system. Now people are subscribing cloud services, right, to get faster internet service for more innovative work. They're using cloud. Now if it will be provided by the government, that will be more cheaper and easier for the users. So these are the three facets of public AI. But there are some people who are skeptical about the idea of public AI. They think that it will be not much beneficial, just like healthcare services of governments. So what is your take on this? Write down in the comment box, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you soon. Till then, have a good time. Bye bye.